Hey guys, we're here for a different project. We're working on our fifth wheel trailer here. Our refrigerator quit, and we had a company come out and look at it and needed to put a compressor in, so it was going to be $1,000 to fix it. So we decided it's 5 years old and it wasn't worth fixing, so we decided to buy a new fridge. But the beauty of this fridge is we have a residential type fridge in this trailer, and we have the residential fridge and it won't fit through the door. So these are obviously put in before the slides were put in. So we're going to pull this window out and take the old one out and put the new one in. So let's see how it goes. Here's about 30 screws we got to take out of here. Like, why don't you set that ladder up on the outside and hold that. You filming, kiddo?
Yeah.
Now the one bad thing about these refrigerators is you can't lay them on their back. If you do, you gotta leave them sit for at least 24 hours. So we'll be able to get our new one in and then leave it sit for overnight before we turn it on, because the oil from the compressor gets into the system. But I don't know how else to get this out of here. And we're not pulling the slide out. So the window seems like the next logical choice. Hey, why don't you go and help Pappy with the window? Last screw. Alright, hang on. Let me get the trim off here. Oh, wait a minute. One more screw. Other last screw. Alright, I'm going to open this up. Take the screen out. Not. Alright. So we're taking these doors off here to make it a little easier to get out. The weight and just ease the feeling. Grab the door. Okay, so we have our fridge and stuff all done inside, and now we want to put the window back in. And the way these windows were put in, the seal was basically just a piece of foam tape with a little bead of silicone on the upper side there. We kind of tore in a couple of spots the foam tape, but it's pretty good shape yet. So we're going to just put a nice bead of silicone on here to take up any voids that may be, and should be okay.
Did you put silicone on the window?
Yes.
Yeah, you need to go.
I know.
You're a good boy, Ray Ray.
Okay, is that side good, Blake?
Yeah, it's good.
Come in here, Blake. Kill yourself.
Let it go up?
Need to go up a little bit. Like, wait down a little. Down. That's good.
How's that?
Oh, pretty good.
Okay. You put a couple more screws in here. Okay, so we got the window back in, and we got a nice bead of silicone on the top, like the factory did. Should be sealed up real nice, everything pulled in real good. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so we got the fridge in, got it mounted. We're mounting it here on the floor with these angles. Run a screw into here and a couple screws here on the floor. The other one had lag bolts down through it, into the platform. And then we have to go up here and put our board back on. We put this on years ago. There's a light. Get a laser. No. We put this board on years ago because the refrigerator, it kept rocking out of the hole. There was no attachment points to the top of it. It's kind of a bad idea to put in like that, so I have to move that board down. What it did, it wedged the top of the fridge in so it wouldn't rock out. So we're going to fix that, and the fridge will be done.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our newly installed fridge in here. You can see it's good and sturdy. We got it anchored at the bottom. Got our things anchored, our doors anchored here. So we're going to leave it sit overnight, and if we got any oil out of the compressor into the system, it'll settle back down. Like I said, you're not supposed to put these on their backs. It was a no-no, but getting through the window was the only way. So I hope you guys watched this video and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Thanks.